Okay guys, in the previous session we covered the data exploration. In this session we are going to cover data pre-processing and splitting of data set into training set and a test set. At the end of this session you will discover how to use the train test split function to divide your data set into two groups, which is training and a testing set. So let me add another cell, okay, and here I will put for comment, then feature extraction. This cell will be set as markdown. So okay, so feature processing and the dataset split. Okay, so in this party we are going to make feature processing and split the dataset into two groups, which is training set and testing set. All right, so here we go. Okay, feature processing and the data split. Okay, TF-IDF is equal to TF-IDF vectorizer, put a bracket, sublinear underscore TF is equal to true, okay, comma, min df is equal to 5, then normal is equal to L2, comma, encoding is equal to Latin -1, okay, ngram underscore range bracket 1 2 okay. Let me try out to run the cell to see if everything is okay. So stop words English, okay, then features is equal to TF-IDF dot fit underscore transform bracket df dot book dot to array bracket, then labels is equal to df dot category ID. If once I run the cell, it is still output some errors. Let me try out to figure out what is the cause of this error. I think it should run nicely without any problem. So let me inspect here just to see what's wrong. Okay, I'm watching on the cell just to correct the part we have mistaken. So let me try to put this. Once I run the cell, still there is an error. Okay. Oh, what's problem? What is the problem, guys? Okay. This is when a teacher asks a student, how do we go about this? Okay. I'm also figuring out, please. Anything wrong here? I don't see anything, just a darkness. I'm lost in the new seat. Okay, let me scroll slowly, trying out to figuring out things. What's wrong? Okay, so let me scroll. Okay, let me cut this, and I want to, oh, still there is error. Oh, what's popping? Okay, if you know the solution and you are still watching, you can just comment below to see how quick you are to solve a problem than a teacher. Okay, so let me start to run the Jupyter notebook from the beginning, just to be sure that if there is any kind of problem, it free us. Still there is a problem. What's popping? Okay, okay, let me check out here. Okay, so after that, after making that correction, you can see the cell is running properly. Okay, all right. So after that, after processing the column book, okay, the next thing to be done is, okay, so xe underscore train comma x underscore test comma y train y test is equal to train test split. Okay, so inside I path the x feature, which is book, and I path in the y features, which is category. All right, so once I run this cell, you can see everything. It's okay. Okay, let me see. So comma random state is equal to 0, trainee size I like to use the 80% of dataset as the training size of dataset, comma, test size is equal to 0.2. Okay. So this should be book. I hope if I run the cell, it will be okay. Right?